Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about the 9 Incredibles vehicle in 2021. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button for more updates. Number 9. This is Novus, the first premium lightweight e-motorbike. Novus is a handcrafted limited series full carbon fiber motorbike. Novus is more than a motorcycle. It is a piece of art on wheels. Lighter than other motorcycles with the same power. Faster than other motorcycles with the same weight. The first nutshell carbon fiber monocoque frame. The unique frame is made out of one single piece. It is both a supporting skeleton and a design-defining outer skin. There is no need for additional cladding. Compared to conventional steel or aluminum frames, it is lighter, more torsion-resistant and a beautiful sculpture. Fully integrated design. All electric components are safe and protected. Number 8. Walk car. The car in your bag. If you can carry a car. The world's smallest electric mobility born from such an idea. Train commute, from the station to your house, to your destination a few kilometers away. The wider the area of movement, the more vibrant and prosperous people's lives will be, and the more lifestyles and cities will change. Walk car changes the concept of movement. Smooth driving. Run to slide on the ground. Uplifting. Exciting and dynamic movement. Experience that can only be experienced with walk car. Number 7. Gyroball. Made for the future. Forget everything you know about hoverboarding. Gyroball is an industry original. Its unique ball form shape makes it a cut above the competition. Its patented technology means you can reach speeds of 20 km per hour with a range of 24 km. Get ready for fun-filled travel. Unique design, patented technology. Ride without limits. Gyroball's durable, rubber composite finish makes it perfect for leisure rides or inner-city travel. No parking? No problem. Feel the power at your feet with Gyroball. Number 6. Arsamoto Roadster. The Arsamoto Roadster is a 3-wheeled, open-air vehicle that delivers a driving experience like no other. Featuring an incredibly low and forward center of gravity, twin-motor front-wheel drive, instant torque, and a fully connected seating stance. The Roadster is a prototype, but the company plans to ramp quickly before the end of year. Number 5. Drive solo. Every day, 119 million North Americans commute using personal vehicles, and 105 million of them commute alone. Step into the future of driving. Reduce your gas bill to zero. Eliminate your environmental impact. Turn your commute into the highlight of your day. Solo is technically a motorcycle with only 3 wheels, but the fully enclosed cabin with a round steering wheel and proper foot pedals delivers the aura of a 4-wheeled car. The single-seat cabin is accessible via the doors on both sides, which typically means you can park it in the tightest of spaces and leave the vehicle without contorting like a gymnast. Number 4. Kraken Cargo Bike. A class of its own. Distinctive as a whole, thought out in the smallest detail. Each part has been carefully designed, built and tested to provide you and your children with the best cargo bike experience out there. Perfectly safe cargo bike in every way. Carcom guarantees you the most safe and reliable cargo bike experience every day. The design, construction and premium parts are of the highest quality and safety requirements to offer you and your family optimum protection in traffic. Discover a new freedom. Thanks to the optimal pedal assistance and impressive range of 120 kilometers, you can cycle smoothly and quickly through daily traffic. With the Carcom you get everything done twice as fast. With and without your children. Number 3. Deco. Deco's variable geometry chassis, the future of e-mobility. When you have miles to swallow, it is stable like a car. When you need to go through traffic jams or find a park spot, it is agile like a motorcycle. All thanks to the revolutionary concept of variable chassis geometry with 2 modes of operation. Number 2. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is a Redroid, an intelligent robot that is transformable and rideable. It was planned and developed by Future Robotics Technology Center, FURO, of Chiba Institute of Technology, led by Takeuchi Furuta, and product designer Shunji Yamanaka. Kangaroo assists a person as a partner robot. When the person wants to move, it automatically transforms itself into a vehicle. In robot mode, Kangaroo escorts and supports the runner based on the AI technology. From a remote location, it is automatically sent out to a designated place. In vehicle mode, it transforms its body to make sharp turns. It gives the rider a sense of human-machine integration, as if in skiing. And number 1. The YX1. The ultimate all-terrain electric wheel board. Outstanding performance on any terrain. Single-wheel motor provides the ultimate in power and control. Ride by wire, lean into turns with confidence.